for the family, some nice seared salmon.
And turnips are also high in potassium.
As well as they're a great source of fiber for both moms and children.
All right, so I've seasoned one side of the fish with a little white pepper and some salt. We'll go ahead and add those in. I have some baby turnips. These are Hackeri turnips, but they're pretty much available everywhere these days.
And turnips have such a beautiful flavor.
A lot of people don't realize how good they are, or it's something, oh, I don't like turnips, without really trying them. They're really very, very incredible.
And they're good to introduce to your child at a young age.
Absolutely.
And I think mixing it with a bit of potato kind of takes down the strong flavor a little bit.
Yes,
so
yeah.
that's a great idea.
So we'll
And can you eat turnips raw?
I'll eat just about anything raw, so yes, you can. The thicker it is, the crunchier it is. Sometimes if it's too thick, you're gonna turn your kids off to it. So a lot of times we'll cut it super thin and then just put some lemon juice, maybe some vinegar, salt, and oil on it, and that kind of macerates it and softens it up.